Today we're going to go through an exercise that I feel like is often neglected and forgot about. It's an exercise that can help you improve your core strength, your grip strength, your balance, and help you reduce your need to furniture walk. I often see older people that I work with having to reach for things, touching the furniture as they walk. So this is a multifaceted exercise that can help you build your strength and reduce your risk of falls. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Dallin Hansen, a doctor of physical therapy, and always remember to consult with a trusted medical professional before starting a new program. Let's get started. All right, first and foremost, you want to make sure safety first. So you need to have something to hang on to if your balance is not sufficient. You can use a chair. So grab hold of the chair if you need. The other thing you need to do is have some sort of weight, some sort of resistance. So you can grab a dumbbell. A dumbbell is easy because it's easy to grab hold of, but you don't have to use a dumbbell. Here I've got an 8-pound dumbbell. You want to use something that's going to be a little bit challenging for you. So you don't want to use something so light that there's no challenge, but also you don't want to do something so heavy that it's too much for you. So find something kind of in the middle. Start 4 or 5 pounds if you can, sometimes upwards of 8, 9, 10 pounds. If that's easy, do 10, 15, or 20. But again, find something challenging, but not something overdoing it. It's gonna seem like a simple exercise. All you're gonna do is grab hold of the weight, hang on to it tight. And if you have poor balance and you struggle to maintain, slide your hand across the chair and walk. And then slide your hand across the chair, walk backwards. What I want you to do as you're doing this, I don't want it to be so heavy that it's pulling you over. I want you to tighten up your tummy muscles to try and keep nice, tight so it's not pulling you over, so it's working your core. Also, grip it tight. Hang on to that weight. Again, step forward, step backwards. If you can, don't use the chair. Float your hand above the chair, or if you've got a countertop or a bar. I want you to do forward and backwards. When you go backwards, if you can, I don't want you to look at your feet and go backwards. I want you to keep good tall posture, float the hand up, forward and back. Increase the weight if this is easy. The reason I want you to do forward and backwards is because, number one, forward is very functional because that's the way we walk. The reason I want you to do backwards is because if you lose your balance, you need to be able to step backwards. You start to lose your balance backwards, you need to be able to step backwards quickly and effectively. So by doing forward steps and backward steps, it helps you keep that reaction time up. The reason I like the weight, again, is for the core control. And then also, by having something in your hand and floating your hand above the chair, it helps you work on not needing to furniture walk because, number one, this arm is occupied, and number two, you're trying to float the hand above that one. Of course, safety first, use it as needed, but make sure to do both hands. So flip that chair around, and right here, forward steps, backward steps, forward steps, backward steps. If you don't have dumbbells sitting around at home, just find something that's kind of heavy and pick it up and do this. This is a farmer's carry exercise is what it's called, because it's like you're grabbing a pail or a bucket or something, carrying it around the farm. So again, do this exercise to help build your ability to step back, increase your grip strength, improve your core strength, and always safety first. If this exercise was helpful, please subscribe and catch me at one of my next videos. Thanks for joining.